Hello. My name is Glennceria and welcome. Welcome to Glennceria's Place, Tiffany inspired home decor, where I show you how I decorate my house using all things Tiffany and Company. Yup, that's right. Most of the things in my house are from Tiffany Co. Better believe it. We are here in this together. I'm showing you some techniques, some tools, how to buy things pre-loved, where to shop online, all that good stuff. So make sure that you come back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit that notification bell when you know I'm uploading my videos. And check me out. Today, drum roll. Yay! Today, I have purchased, and we are going to do an unboxing of the cheapest thing you can buy from Tiffany Company. That's right. That's what I said. The most cheapest thing I could find on the website. Come on back to this video. Come on, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm back. Let me make sure you can see, because I definitely need you to see it. Right here, I have my receipt. And I also have a note that I wrote to myself. I always write a note to myself. I think you're all a little crooked, so forgive my hand while I straighten you up. And then, real quick. Okay. So that's the box. So let's read the note real quick, okay? It's just a plain envelope, of course. But inside I have my note card. As soon as I can squeeze it out of here. It's engraved right here, embossed. It says Tiffany Co. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. This is the note that I sent to myself, and it reads as such. Glennceria Place, Tiffany Co. Inspired Home Decor. All things Tiffany. So this is actually the name of this YouTube channel. Glennceria Place, Tiffany Company Inspired Home Decor. All things Tiffany Company 2021. Okay, so that's the note that I wrote to myself. So I'll always have that. So did you guess yet? What do you think it is? I have my notes here. So let's open up the unboxing of the cheapest item I can find from Tiffany Company. So it comes like this. Have you guessed what it is yet? Let's do an unboxing. No shopping bag came in this box as well. There was no shopping bag. Just my receipt and my note to myself along with the product. So let's open it up. You have your iconic Tiffany blue box along with this white satin ribbon. So let's see what we have. Okay, so can you read that? What it says? So let's see what it says. It says Tiffany Co. Silver Polishing Cloth. So that's what it is. It's a silver polishing cloth. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Oh, nice. Look at this. Nice size, guys. So, can anyone comment down below and tell me what do you think the cheapest item you can buy from Tiffany Co? What do you think the price was for this? So you know that it's a sterling silver polishing cloth. That's exactly what it is. It's a nice size, maybe 18 by 18 or a 20 by 20. Right here, you have the logo of Tiffany Co on your left side corner. Right there. All right. Very nice. Nice and big, so it should last a long time. I will list the price down below, and you will be shocked to find out what is the cheapest thing that you can buy from Tiffany Company. So let's read the back of the box and see what it says. It says this cloth is made, I believe I have it written down. Nope, I don't have it written down. So let me read it. It says this cloth is made of high quality, 100% cotton. All right. With a silver cleaning and tarnish agent, it is ideal use for lightly tarnished Tiffany Co products. Made of sterling silver or silver metals mixed to obtain a brilliant shine with long-lasting protection. This cloth remains effective as long as it is not washed and should be stored in the package after use. And it also says non-toxic. Keep out of reach of children. Okay? Made in England for Tiffany Co, New York. That's exactly what it says. And in the front it says Tiffany Co silver polishing cloth. All right. And show it to you once again. Nice and big. There we go. Nice and big. I'll back up so you can actually see that. See that? Backing up. Nice and big. So this should last a while, right? All right, let me give you the money affirmation for today. The money affirmation of today is, wealth is pouring into my life. Let's say that again. Wealth is pouring into my life. Absolutely. Let me bring you up so y'all can see me a little better instead of on the top of my head. There we go. There we go. Okay, my loves, we're done for today. I'll see you in the next video.